गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता है कि हमारे कॉलेज में वीडियो से ऑलरेडी टीचिंग शुरू हो चुकी है, बट मैं कई दिनों से एब्सेंट था कॉलेज में किसी इम्पोर्टेंट रीज़न से, इसलिए मैं अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं कर पाया हूँ। आज से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी स्टार्ट द second part of the mathematics. As you know, I teach you the second part of the mathematics, and the first chapter of the 12th new syllabus is differentiation. So we start with the differentiation. So let's see. Good morning students, welcome again a new world of the mathematics, because I also teach the first time in this way the mathematics. So let's start. See, all the students have a new textbook, and the first chapter is differentiation. Here we are to study the derivative of composite function, geometrical meaning of derivative, derivative of inverse function, logarithmic differentiation, derivative of implicit function, and derivative of parametric function. These are the different types of the derivative we have to study here. As you study in the 11th class, see the first definition given by the scientist Newton, known as the first principle, that is, if f of x is the derivative with respect to x at x equals to a, then f dash a is what? Limit h tends to a, 0, f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. So this is also known as the first principle, already studied in the 11th class. This topic is, and this is the second definition of the derivative, that is, limit del x tends to 0, del y by del x equals to dy by dx, where del y is the del x and del y are the corresponding small increments in y and x respectively. This is known as the again the derivative given by the second scientist Leibniz. This is also already we have to know. And see the next, these are the three rules of the derivative. First one is known as the derivative of sum. दिस ऑलरेडी रिपीटेड, ऑलरेडी 11th क्लास में हो चुका है ये सब. अगर y is equal to u plus v है, then derivative of that is dy by dx is du by dx plus dv by dx. If y is equal to u minus v, then this positive sign becomes negative. This next one is the derivative of product. If y is equals to u into v, then its derivative is u into dv by dx plus dv by v into du by dx. This is known as the quotient rule. If y is equal to u by v, then its derivative is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Okay, this is already completed in the 11th standard. Therefore, I will going fast here. This is the derivative of some standard function proved by using the derivative of the first principle. If y is equal to constant, then derivative is 0. If y is equal to x to the power n, then derivative is n into x to the power n minus 1. ऑलरेडी ये सभी फॉर्मूलाज को हमने ऑलरेडी 11th क्लास में प्रूव कर चुके हैं बाय यूजिंग द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल, इसलिए ये सभी फॉर्मूलाज आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में लिख लीजिए, सॉरी नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए. ऑलरेडी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में ये दिए हुए हैं, राइट? ओके, सी नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट हियर एक्चुअली द न्यू टॉपिक, फर्स्ट टॉपिक is derivative of composite function. Composite function means the function of function. Like, see here, if we consider sin x, log x, e to the power x, these are the simple functions. And if we consider the function of function, that is sin of root x, log of sin x, e to the power tan x, these type of functions are known as the composite function, right? And the derivative of this composite function can be find out by using the chain rule, right? So see the theorem as in your textbook, the statement of theorem. See here, if y is equals to u upon if y is equals to u, f of u is the differentiable function of u, and u is equal to g of x is the differentiable function of x, such that the composite function y is equal to f of g of x is differentiable function of x, then dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. The proof of this theorem is again similar as we prove the all theorems of derivative in the 11th standard, right? We consider the small increments as here and consider their partial derivative as like this, then taking the limit of that function to the both side, then using the definition we completed the proof. See here, this is the definition of the Leibniz, and this is also, and this. So using definition we completed the proof, that is dy by dx equals to dy by du into du by dx. ऑलरेडी आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया हुआ है और बहुत इजी है, आप देख सकते हो, राइट. इसको चेन रूल भी बोला जाता है. ओके, देन see this is derivative of some standard composite function. Standard composite function means function of function. If y is equals to we say dy by dx, y is function, that is equals to, if we say that f of x to the power n, then its derivative is n into f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash x, right. So all the simple standard formulas of the derivative, but in the composite form. So this is all about their derivatives. All the formulas are same as we see in the 11th class, right. Just like see, if derivative of sin x is cos x, then derivative of sine of function is cos of function into derivative of function, like this. So all the formulas are same. So see these also and note down in the notebook. Okay, see the first example that is already solved in your textbook also. If y is equal to root of x square plus 5 with respect to x, we have to differentiate this function y is equal to root x square plus 5 with respect to x. So this is the composite function actually, and we have to differentiate this in two ways. First method is this, that is known as the chain rule. So if we put u is equal to x square plus 5, we got y is equal to root u. Now y is the differentiable function of u, right, and u is differentiable function of x. So according to chain rule, dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx, right. Now to find dy by dx, we have to find dy by du into and du by dx. So y is root u, therefore differentiate y with respect to u, we got derivative of root u with respect to u is 1 upon 2 root u, right. And u is x square plus 5, differentiate this u with respect to x, we got du by dx, and derivative of x square plus 5 is twice x plus 5 का derivative 0, right. So put these two values of dy by du and du by dx in equation number this one, we got dy by dx is x upon root x square plus 5. This is known as a chain rule, right. But derivative of composite function can be find out again by the direct differentiation also. See, that is known as the second method. So if see the function is root x square plus 5, its derivative is what? If we consider x square plus 5 as u in our mind, we got the formula of root u, and derivative of root u is 1 upon 2 root u as by using this formula. See here, if root of f of x, its derivative is 1 upon 2 root of f of x and into derivative of f of x, that is f dash x, right. So according to this derivative of root 1 upon 2 root into derivative of this bracket x square plus 5, that is twice x plus 0. So this 2 to cancel, we got the x upon root x square plus 5, right. As answer got in the first method, answer is same. Okay, so this is the first example already solved in your textbook. See this one, second one is, if y is equal to sine of log x, again this is the composite function. If we directly differentiate this function or by using chain rule, आपको जो मेथड इजी लगती है आप यूज कर सकते हो, राइट. तो ये चेन रूल के हिसाब से किया हुआ है. अगर y हमने साइन लॉग x को u बोल दिया तो y इज इक्वल टू साइन u हो जाएगा. ओके, देन डिफरेंशिएट कर दिया विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन u हमको cos u मिल जाएगा और u आपने log x लिया हुआ है. ओके, सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u with respect to x what? du by dx, that is derivative of log x 1 upon x. Put these values of du by dx and dy by du here in equation number 1. What do we get? We get dy by dx equal to cos of log x upon x. So this is the second example again solved in your textbook. So see, as similar to this, again some examples are solved in your textbook. We consider these to tomorrow or you try to solve that. Okay, thank you.